Now, you do not want to manage a WhatsApp group all by yourself. So sometimes it could be a good idea to add admin into your WhatsApp group. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add admin into your WhatsApp group. Before I begin, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight to my phone and let me show you how you can add admin into your WhatsApp group. Let's go. Okay, so first of all, open up your WhatsApp app, search for which WhatsApp group that you want to add new admin to. For example, I have this testing for YouTube, click on it. So this is the group where I want to add admin. So where do you do it? You just have to click on top, which is the name of the group. Click on it, and then you can go down and you can see 2 members, right? Just to change them to admin is very easy. Just click on that person, and then you can see here, make group admin. Once you click it, she'll be admin. So to remove it, it's the same way. For example, you can see here, now you can see there's an admin word at the right side of her name, alright? Or you can just remove, same thing as well, dismiss as admin, okay? Another way you can do it is you just have to go to group permissions. Okay, so this one if you want to have multiple admin at one time. Okay, so you can see here, click at the bottom, there's a group admins, click on it, tick, and then just click done, and then there will be a group admin. To remove them same way, just click on it, untick the check mark, and then that's it, you're done. So yeah, so that's how easily you can add admin to your WhatsApp group, and I hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you get more social media tips like this.